Hey guys, Carlos here back with a new video. Today I'm a bit dislocating my thumb. Ready? Set, go. So you have to apply pressure to the joint right here. Oh! Oh! Ah! It hurts. Look at this. Oh! 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 That. Because it feels like jibbly and wibbly now. It's like, feels weird. It's like back slow. I feel like it hurts like right here. Right here it hurts and like right here. Peace out like a trout.